A computer is programmable means that a computer will do whatever the instructions called the program tell it to do. The programs used with the computer determine the tasks the computer is able to perform. The four operations described in this definition are more technically referred to as input, processing, output, and storage. These four primary operations of a computer can be defined as follows: input, entering data into the computer; processing, performing operations on the data. Figure 1 to 5, computer use while on the go. LT portable devices. Many people today carry a portable computer or smartphone with them at all times or when they travel in order to remain in touch with others and to access internet resources. Consumer kiosks. Electronic kiosks are widely available to view conference or gift registry information, print photographs, order products or services, and more. Mobile payment systems allow individuals to pay for purchases using a smartphone or other device. Consumer authentication systems allow only authorized members, such as theme park annual pass holders as shown here, access to facilities. Presenting the results of processing can also refer to the results themselves. GT storage. The operation of saving data, programs, or output for future use. GT communications. The transmission of data from one device to another. GT data. Raw, unorganized facts. GT information. Data that has been processed into a meaningful form. Output, presenting the results. Storage, saving data, programs, or output for future use. For example, assume that you have a computer that has been programmed to add two numbers. As shown in figure 1 to 6, input occurs when data, in this example, the numbers 2 and 5, is entered into the computer. Processing takes place when the computer program adds those two numbers, and output happens when the sum of 7 is displayed on the computer screen. The storage operation occurs any time the data, a change to a program, or the output is saved for future use. For an additional example, look at a supermarket barcode reader to see how it fits this definition of a computer. First, the grocery item being purchased is passed over the barcode reader input. Next, the description and price of the item are looked up, processing. Then, the item description and Chapter 1 Introduction to the World. This progression of input, processing, output, and storage is sometimes referred to as the IPO cycle or the information processing cycle. In addition to these four primary computer operations, today's computers almost always perform communications functions, such as sending or retrieving data via the internet, accessing information located in a shared company database, or exchanging data or email messages with others. Therefore, communications technically an input or output operation, depending on which direction the information is going, is often considered the fifth primary computer operation. Data versus information. As just discussed, a user inputs data into a computer, and then the computer processes it. Almost any kind of fact or set of facts can become computer data, such as the words in a letter to a friend, the numbers in a monthly budget, the images in a photograph, the notes in a song, or the facts stored in an employee record. When data is processed into a meaningful form, it becomes information. Figure 1 to 6, the information processing cycle. LT7 input, user types in the numbers 2 and 5. Processing, computer adds 2 and 5. Output, computer displays the results, output. Storage, computer saves the output for future use. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2577. Copyright Tatiana Popova /Shutterstock.com. Copyright